Well, good evening. I'm going to do a tutorial on how to make curry shrimp. It's very easy, very quick, very simple. It doesn't take long to cook. So basically, I went ahead and I've put a teaspoon of curry in the shrimp. This is the kind of curry that I use. It's called Better Pack. It really isn't sold here. I get it in New York or in Jamaica. And these are the ingredients that we're going to go ahead and use in the curry. So we're going to put a carrot, onion, tomato, a piece of ginger, scallion, thyme, garlic, and sweet pepper, and hot habanero or Scotch bonnet pepper. A lot of people don't use tomato in theirs. I do because I like it. And these are the seasonings that I'll be using. So Maggi all-purpose, garlic powder, a bouillon packet, and I'm going to tip a very little bit of this in there, and there's a reason. So I'm back. This is part 2 of curry shrimp. I've already taken the liberty of heating the oil in the pot. I'm using olive oil. You can use whatever oil you want to use. I'm trying to eat healthier, so I'm using healthier oils. So I'm going to put that 1 teaspoon of curry in the oil. So I'm gonna. It's a method called burning curry. It helps to bring out the flavor of the curry. And then after that, I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm gonna put in my seasonings that I've already cut up. And I also added allspice that I forgot to tell you. And I'm gonna let this saute for a little bit, and put a little water in there and let it cook down before I put the shrimp in. Only because shrimp is something that cooks quick and it'll get hard and tough. So stay tuned. I'll come back and show you the cooking process. Okay, so I'm back again. This is part 3. As you can see, I've put the seasoning, the fresh seasonings in that I have already cut up. And I put in the seasonings that I showed you in the previous video, which is the Maggi all-purpose. I put in 2 teaspoons of that. I put in 1 packet of the chicken bouillon and a teaspoon of garlic powder, and I'm just letting everything cook down a little bit before I add the shrimp in there. I'm going to go ahead and add the shrimp now. The shrimp was already seasoned with curry. The reason why I didn't put it in right away is because I didn't want it to get tough. So, you know, I'm just going to go ahead now and let it finish cooking down until it becomes like a gravy. So it's very easy, very simple, very, very simple to make. And I'll come right back to show you the finished results. Okay, so I'm back. This is the last part of it before plating. This is how it should look when it's finished. Nice, thick gravy. And the shrimp is cooking. It's not too tough. And you have all of this goodness that you can either eat with white rice or whatever you'd like. I'm making white rice for my husband and son. I am eating brown rice because, as I said, I'm watching what I'm eating. So yeah, anyway, this is what it should look like when it's finished. Nice and rich and everything is cooked.